Hi, welcome to Excel Rush. Today we will learn a quick and simple trick of how to rearrange without using cut copy paste. So traditionally if I want to move this column, I would have to cut and then paste, then I would have replaced it, but rather I would have to insert a column first, then select, then cut, then paste, and then delete this column, right? So that's the typical way of doing it in Google Sheets. But let me come back to this. Rather than this, what I can do is select the column with my mouse, just click, hold, drag and leave. Click, hold, drag and leave. And that's how you can rearrange any column without the need of cut, copy and paste. Thank you for watching.